In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create the vision board with Miro. In order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com, and from in there, proceed to enter right here your work email, or you can also use your Gmail and proceed to click on this sign up free option. Now, if you already have an account, just head over and click on this login and then log into your account that you have. So since I already have one, let's proceed to log in right here. Here is my actual Miro dashboard. So in order to create the vision board, you can utilize templates from the Miroverse. To do that, click on this Miroverse option. Once you're in there, you should be able to see this. So just search right here the topic that you want. Let's input right here vision board. Then proceed to click onto this enter and then search in here for that particular entry. So it will provide you some templates for the vision boards that you have. We have in here product. We have in here this template created by different users for this case. So on my case, let's head over and choose in here this one. Just click on this use this template in order to use it. And then this will redirect you to the next tab or next page wherein you can actually edit this particular template that we can see earlier. Here is our vision board, so you can proceed to just input right here the details that you wish to use. Like for example, on this case, let's head over and then fill up things added right here like relevance of each particular task, your SMART goals, risk management, the motivation, and the likes. So just head over and then input right here the details that you want for your vision board, actionable items, and as well as everything that you wish to accomplish, win, lose, and needs and dependencies for this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.